Hey, my name is Dakota Crawford, and this game is called Gaga Knock Out, and it is for grades K through 2. The equipment needed to play Gaga Knock Out is pins, gator balls, noodle slices, cones, and poly spots. The students entered the gym and went to their assigned seats in lines, as they usually do. I then had the students that I had gather in a group so that everyone could hear. I told them the game that we were going to be playing, and I went over it with them and asked them questions to check for their understanding. I also went through and gave them demonstrations of the game. I made sure that everyone was paying attention. The game that we played was a lead-up game to Gaga Ball. Before we ever even began the game that I had originally had planned to play, I felt like it would be the best idea to get the students to get in a circle and have them practice the main skill, which was slapping the ball with the palm or the fist. This was a thing I modified on the spot. As you can see from the picture, the red represents me, and all the students got in a circle around me so that I could show them the proper way to slap the ball. That was one of the biggest things that I modified on the spot, and I feel that it was a great decision. Once I saw that all the students had a pretty good concept of how to properly slap the ball, like in the original Gaga Ball game, then we began playing the original game that I had planned. In this game, I divided the students up into teams and placed them at different color poly spots and buckets. As you can see in this picture, there's a red poly spot and bucket with red bowling pins, a yellow, a dark blue, and a purple. The students were to slap the ball using the palm of their hand or their fist to try to knock down as many bowling pins as they could. When all the pins are knocked down, that team gets to go collect one noodle slice, bring it back, and place it into their bucket. The person who rolled the ball was to go stand the pins back up, and the next person in line was to roll. When time was up, we stopped the game, and the students were able to take the noodle slices that they had collected and build a noodle slice tower out of them. This was something the students really enjoyed doing. Throughout the game, I could really see some improvement from the students. The main skills that we worked on, that we focused on in this game, was slapping the ball with the palm of our hands or our fist. The ball was not to be thrown or kicked. A few of the students really struggled with not picking the ball up and throwing it. When talking about feedback, this is something that is sometimes hard to remember because the students are having such a great time playing the game, and everyone is involved, including me. Before the class ended, however, we came together and we talked about a few skills that we went over, a few skills that we learned, such as slapping the ball at a target with the palm of our hand and our fist. The students did a great job with this game, and I felt like everyone had fun and they learned from it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this game.